a new school.
It's great that we're at the same school. Yes, it is, but I'm really nervous. Don't worry, you're in my class, so I can show you around. Let's go to the school office first. Lessons start in 10 minutes. See you later. That's the science lab. We have science at 10 o'clock on Mondays and Wednesdays. Science is my favourite subject. This is the canteen. We always have lunch in here. The dinner ladies are really nice. This is our head teacher, Mr. Morgan.
Welcome to Parkside, Ash.
That's the music room. We have music there once a week. It's great.
Everybody, this is Ash. He's from Australia, and it's his first day today at Parkside Primary School. What's that noise?
Oh no, Lois has ICT in that classroom. Is she okay? Don't worry, I'm fine. This is Bo, my robot. But he's got a problem.